Hello friends, today I'm making a video for how to make a cable Ethernet. I'm showing you with this small cable, and I will also show you how to verify if it is connected or not. For this, what I do normally is I cut external cover. I should be a little bit up. I cut all the protections and I put this mask. Uh, I tried to open it maximum and pull up. Oh, sorry, like this, and I cut this plastic because it will block you when you are arranging a cable. As I'm doing, the connection type is 568B. It's better you arrange all the cables beforehand. It's orange, orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, green, brown, white, brown. That means sometime you might forget this pattern of color. This is the point to remember here is you should not have same color at the time. This I mean to say, you should not have this light, or you should not have two dark colors at the same time or two light colors at the same time. That means there is a error. This quick option to find check your color cable is light dark, light dark, light dark, and light dark. Now generally I use my screwdriver to strengthen my cable, and you can see I missed the button here, and I press it little bit here with my screw pencil so that it will insert in the RJ45 easily. I think I'll try to change the angle of the camera. Where is it gone? Yep. This is a little bit okay. You twist like this, you twist up and down. Now it's ready. You put like 2 centimeters. It doesn't cut good. Yeah, now you can insert in any this jack the RJ45 easily. You can say I don't have to do a lot of F4, just push it. Now it's done. And the last verification, different, and okay. I just clamps. The cable, and I'm good. And in my case here, I don't have a metallic end. So even though I put this mask in, because it might save you your system from sometime from the short circuit. Sometimes it happens in the work. I'll be doing same thing in the next end. Everything. I probably can. It's better. If you can see all the windows touch it, it will be better. I can show that your cables are connected. Let's take different. Okay. Now we're done. Now this is my end cables. Here I have a device to check. I'll show you two options how to check if your cable is good or not. Just turn on this device, go to right mode, cable test. 1 is okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and ground is not okay because we don't have metallic end. Again I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything is okay. This is let's say little high-tech, and this normally we don't have this device in the house. Now I'll show you a simple technique how to check in the house. Oh sorry, thing we have to do is normally in the house you have this terminal for internet in your box or somewhere outside. And next thing is just to connect it in your computer. Now if both the lights will light, that means you are connected. That's it. It's pretty simple to test. And I will just verify in the internet box. Internet. Yeah, you can see data is flowing. That means my cable is good. Okay, thank you for watching.